The Lord told me get this paper. Told me about them times that them niggas gon' be faker. He told me I got to grow through all this shit. Y'all should've been known, I ain't surprised by shit. I get my paper, open my eyes to shit. Most can't relate to a real nigga who stand alive for this. Living through these moments and chances in advancing. Being true to what I do and coming through and making moves. Thought you knew, I get my paper, but niggas, you know I'm never done. I gotta get it till this mortal body is done. Until this body drop in the casket. Gotta get my paper, let you know I'm that motherfucker outcasted. I let you know, coming through, outlaws affiliated. Coming through, been demonstrated, but nigga, you know I'm hated. Gotta do it and let you know I'm foolish with it. Get it, coming through it, but it's rational moves. You get it, split it, coming through. Let you know I kept it true until the end, ain't no secret. Cause nigga, your secret blue, nigga.